In beautiful East Tennessee and on the shores of TVA's Douglas Lake, you'll find an estate that will truly befit your success. We invite you to visit this personal builder's home at 2137 Majestic Circle in Dandridge. With 4 bedrooms and 4 baths, you and your family will enjoy over 4,800 square feet of absolutely luxurious living area on a 1.96 acre parcel, beautifully landscaped throughout, solidly built with the care only a craftsman can bring. This is an open concept design, bringing together the spacious great room, dining and kitchen together for easy access, richly accented throughout and beneath a vaulted ceiling with rough-hewn wood beams. The island kitchen is replete with granite countertops, a plethora of custom cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances throughout, including this commercial-grade dual-fuel range. Beneath a tray ceiling, the formal dining room is framed within stylish plantation shutters for just the right amount of natural light. Functionality is convenient at the laundry room, complete with washer and dryer hookups and plenty of custom cabinetry. And relax in the expansive sunroom, looking out over Douglas Lake. Each and every bedroom provides spaciousness, comfort, and privacy for all. Upstairs offers 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, including the master on the main, also beneath a stylish tray ceiling. The opulence extends to the master bath, with dual French vanities and a large walk-in shower. Beneath the coffered ceiling in the lower level is the perfect in-law or guest home, with a complete second kitchen and counter, living room, and additional bedroom with bath. This large room would be the perfect workshop, and what home would be complete without this wine room with chiller? Why not enjoy a serving of the grape outside in this exceptional covered patio area? It looks out over Douglas Lake and this covered boat dock with 2 slips and a jet ski port. It can also be fitted for water and electricity. There's much more to see at this majestic estate. So many amenities which have been built into this home. You'll truly appreciate its value for years to come. We invite you to take a private tour to see all the features of 2137 Majestic Circle in Dandridge, Tennessee. Call Chad Long of the Home Team Real Estate Company direct at 865-397-7123.